Hey, you gotta let me get it, dude.
Anywhere?
Dude, he almost put the pacifier in by himself. He put it in there by himself. Holy crap. Do it again, dude. Come on. You almost got it? Oh, no, you're not. Eat that, dude. With your hand. No.
He just has a hard time holding on to it. He probably has the nipple confusion.
Oh.
Yeah. And then?
Hey.